In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite people and get more members on Discord step by step. If you run a community, a gaming server, a study group, or any kind of Discord space, this is one of the fastest ways to grow your server and get more active members inside it. I'll keep this super simple, so you can follow along even if you've never done it before. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord and sign into your account. You can do this from the desktop app, the browser version, or the mobile app, but for this tutorial, I'll be showing the basic process in a way that works the same for most users. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct account and then open the server you want to invite people to. This is important because if you have multiple servers, you want to make sure you're growing the right one. Now look at the top left corner of your Discord window and click the server name. This opens the server options menu. From here, you should see the Invite option, and that's the one you want to select. Click Invite to Server, and Discord will open the invite panel for that server. At this point, Discord gives you two main ways to bring people in. The first option is to invite your Discord friends directly from the list that appears here. This is really useful if you already have people on Discord who might be interested in joining your community. You can browse through your friends, select the ones you want, and send them the invite right away. The second option is to copy the invite link. To do that, simply click Copy, and Discord will copy the server invite link to your clipboard. Once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you want. You can send it in private messages, email it to someone, or share it on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, or anywhere else your audience hands out. If you're trying to get more members on Discord, sharing the invite link consistently is one of the most effective methods. You can post it in your bio, include it in YouTube descriptions, share it in your content, or send it directly to people who have shown interest in your topic. The more places you share it, the more chances people have to join. Just remember to keep your invite message clear and simple. Tell people what your server is about, why they should join, and what kind of value they'll get inside. A good invite link plus a strong reason to join can make a huge difference in how fast your server grows. And that's it. You've now learned how to invite people to your Discord server and how to share an invite link to get more members. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click, and it's one of the easiest ways to grow your community. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.